Hello and welcome to Celebration Central. This is the first video that we're posting as our rebranded channel, and I'm really excited to be able to share with you how I'm going to be decorating our home for Christmas in July. Now, July in Australia is our winter. It's quite chilly outside and it's definitely that sort of weather where we hibernate and stay indoors. But I do love having a Christmas in July dinner party each year, and I do love decorating our home, both for the friends that are coming for the dinner party and the family that will visit throughout July. So today I'm going to focus on decorating our main lounge room, and I'm also going to do a tablescape for our dining table. I won't be setting the table, I won't be setting it up for the dinner party, but I'm just going to do a lovely tablescape that will sort of carry on the vibe of my snowy winter wonderland feel that I'm going for. So I hope you enjoy as I decorate our home for Christmas in July. So to get started, we're going to bring in this beautiful white twig tree. I absolutely love this tree. The thing that makes it really special are the little acrylic leaves at the end of every branch. Now, one of the things that I bought specifically for Christmas in July this year are these curtain lights, and I just got them from Temu, and they come with a USB connector and also a remote control. Don't know what the remote control does yet, but they're curtain lights. So I'm going to actually just spread them right across the top of the windowsills there and let the lights drop down. I think there are about 8 strands, maybe 10 strands on each of the units. So hopefully one strand on each side. I'm not going to put a curtain in front of mine. I just want to have the lights going down and some snowflakes and just make it look really pretty. I used some little white pins at the very top of the window frame to secure the curtain lights. So this is what I've got to go above each of the windows, in between the strands of lights. I've got some snowflakes, different sort of sizes and textures, some very glittery. Everything's white and silver, so lots of silver glitter. Some white, I've got silver baubles and finials. I've got some silver beads over there. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use those, but I've divided them into 2, so I know I've got an even amount for each window, and now I'm just going to start playing around with it and see how it comes out. I'm using some 3M hooks on the front of the window frames, and then I will add some of our silver frost garland. This is such a pretty garland. It's got so many different textures in it, with that crystal white and the twigs, and then it's got some white frosted hydrangeas and some silver berries. Really pretty, really stylish. To add just a little bit more texture, I cut up one of our silver glitter leaf sprays and I put that into the garland as well. At the base of the tree, I've used one of our white fir tree skirts and then added a couple of reindeers and a couple of trees. I love finishing off the base of my trees with a little vignette like this. So now it's time to change out the cushions and the throws to get that really cozy winter vibe happening. The rest of the decor in the room is really simple. I've used some round trays and then added some glass trees and reindeers, as well as some artificial snow and a big silver bauble. The base of the table centerpiece is this beautiful mirrored tray. I've then used some silver candelabras and some artificial snow with some silver glittered snowflakes that are normally tree decorations. Well, there you have it. I'm really happy with the way the room turned out. I think Harley quite likes it as well. She's been watching me all day, sitting in her favourite spot. It's turned out really cosy and elegant and given me a chance to use decorations that I don't normally use at Christmas time here in Australia. I absolutely love it. And wow, when I turned on the lights that night, it just looked so magical. I unravelled the curtained lights and just let them drop naturally at different levels. They frame the white twig tree perfectly. Now, if you love Christmas decorating, I think you'll love our Celebration Central community on Facebook. It's a great place with very supportive and friendly members who share loads of ideas. I host weekly lives as well as giveaways and exclusive member-only specials to our 2 online stores, the Christmas Cart and Gifts and Keepsakes. I would love to get to know you over there. I hope you've enjoyed watching me as I decorate our home for a winter Christmas in July here in Australia. I'll be posting how I decorate our alfresco area with a hot drinks bar in the next week or so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.